I would want to share my experience on how meditation actually helped me to improve my illness. So when I was younger, I suffered from severe asthma. So asthma was not only a condition for me, it was really a shadow over my childhood. Before a stressful period of an exam, they all can trigger asthma, and it's a multiple series of attacks. And so I felt very under control in my own physical body. I felt small, limited, and somewhat angry of like, why did it happen to me? So in my early 20s, I have stumbled upon meditation and was just hoping that it could help me to alleviate a little bit of symptoms of asthma. But to my surprise, meditation has helped me a lot more than that. So it taught me, number one, is to embrace instead of fighting my own conditions and viewing it as a strength instead of a weakness. So as I reflected and let go hundreds and thousands of pictures of how the physical symptoms, the limitations that asthma brought to my life, I feel like a heavy burden was lifted off my chest, and I immediately felt much better. Meditation also helped me to cultivate really positive habits. So I got used to, because of my conditions, I was not very physically active because I thought, being too physically active will help to trigger my asthma. So I would spend a lot of time sitting down, staying indoors. But as I letting go of those pictures, I was able to reflect it on my lifestyle and, naturally getting more outdoors, physically active, engage in exercise, and those activities, it comes in as a second nature after I let go of a lot of pictures and habits related to my illness. So if you are suffering from conditions or from an illness, I would encourage you to start meditation today. I would believe that will help you to reclaim your own power as you change your perspective about that condition, from viewing it as an enemy or limiting factors into a beginning or of a really beautiful journey of self-discovery.